haploidentical NK cell therapy shows strong potential for high-risk hematologic malignancies like myelodysplastic syndrome and acute myeloid leukemia. Studies by Miller et al. 2005 and Björklund et al. 2018 revealed remarkable results. The phase I trial with 10 patients achieved successful in vivo expansion of haploidentical NK cells and complete remission in some cases. Subsequently, a clinical trial involving 24 patients with high-risk MDS/AML resulted in 100% remission rates and significant reduction of high-risk clones. Importantly, neither study reported graft-versus-host disease nor required additional immunosuppression. These findings suggest that haploidentical NK cell therapy effectively targets malignant cells, inducing rapid tumor regression and eliminating genetic clones. Actually, no. This minimally invasive approach offers a promising alternative for patients with refractory cancers, supporting further clinical development as a viable treatment strategy.